Hey, what's up, guys? Thomas Apadaki here with another kettlebell instructional video for you today. Today, I'm doing the kettlebell press. The kettlebell press is going to build strong shoulders, a strong core, and entire body, just like every other kettlebell exercise, because you're engaging your entire body. All right, but you have to learn how to do it correctly. This is different than a dumbbell press, a seated dumbbell press, or a barbell press. It's different because you're having to stabilize your entire body, your core, your quads, your glutes, your abs, everything as you press that bow overhead. All right, it's a full body tension exercise. It's not just a seated press. All right, so how do you do it? You set it up through my 5-step system. All right, we have the clean in the rack, clean to the rack position. We have you want your fist below your chin because you're going to load that elbow onto your side to activate your lat. Because I remember, like I said, it's more than just a shoulder press. It's a lat exercise. It's a full body exercise. And you do that by loading your arm down, fist below your chin, onto that lat. So you can utilize this big back muscle here, your big back muscle, to strongly press the bell up off of that. All right. And so you're going to squeeze that fist, squeeze the handle, and tense your entire body as you press it overhead. And then last one, you're going to lock it at the top. You're going to lock that elbow straight, which is going to activate your triceps. And you're going to do a little bit of like a candlestick holder with your arm, like you're holding a candlestick at the top. That's going to fully fire your tricep. That's when you're finished at the top of the kettlebell press, right? Ideally, you want your arm by your ear, right? 4 range of motion. And then you pull it down, actively pull like you're doing a pull-up. And then you re-gauge and reset, all right? Those are the 5 steps. Let's break it down. So if you don't know how to do a clean, check out my kettlebell clean video so you know how to do that correctly and get into the clean position or the rack position. So clean the bell. Again, bell's going to be by the side that you're going on, so the right side here. I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to clean it up into that rack position, clean and rack. All right, so here I go. So rack position, this is the rack position. Vertical forearm, right? My fist below my chin, my elbow right by my lat, like I said, all right? Next step is gonna be squeezing that fist, tense the entire body, and you're gonna be pressing up the bell with power as your whole body channels that energy all the way up, all right? So clean, rack, tense, lock that overhead, all right? A little bit of a candlestick with my thumb pointing towards the sky to activate and fire my triceps, all right? Then I'm pulling it down, like I said, pull down like you're doing a pull-up, pull down instead of dropping it down back into that rack position, and then lock it out again. All right? That's how you do the kettlebell press, guys. So I want you to really focus on getting these steps down, the clean into the rack. That's your setup. You know, you want to have a good clean. Again, watch my video if you haven't seen the clean on how to do that. You want to go fist below the chin. Squeeze the bell first and then pull that elbow down to fire onto that lat. Tense your entire body and you're channeling that energy all the way up. All right? And you finish at the top. All right, let me show you one more time. So again, you want to set it up. So either floor clean, swing clean, clean it up. Tense, fire. Pull down. All right, and then you do it again. Notice my breathing, all right? That would be the step you want to have down as well. So you're going to clean. As you clean it up, you're going to breathe. And then breathe in. Power breathe it as you press it all the way up to the top. Then you're going to pull it down and reset it. Make sure that wrist, side note, make sure your wrist isn't bent this way or bent forward, too far forward. It should be about vertical. So you can hold that bell and you'll know that it's vertical. Or you can open your hands just like that, all right? So that's the kettlebell press, guys. Try this, practice this, let me know how it goes. If you follow my 5-step system, you're going to get it down. All right, real quick again. This is what I want you to do. Set it up, clean, into the rack. All right, squeeze the handle, squeeze this fist, channel energy, full body tension. Quads are locked, your legs are locked, all right? Your legs are gonna be firing, all right? They should be locked here. And then press it all the way up. Pull it down, fist below that chin. Pull that out with your side lat here. That's why I lock at the top, pull down. All the while my abs, my glutes, everything's fire, everything's engaged. So you can see from the side, lock out, pull down. All right? That's the kettlebell press, guys. This is an awesome exercise for full body strength, shoulder strength, but full body strength because you're engaging your entire body to do that press overhead. All right? Practice this, let me know how it goes. Once you get this down, you get the clean down, you get the press down, the squat down, you can jump into my full body kettlebell workouts that I have up for you guys. So practice this, apply this, learn the right technique. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. Would like to just help you learn this right, learn it correctly, so you can start making that progress injury-free. All right, so get this going, guys. And until next time, happy training. Go for your goals. You got this. Let's get this. And I'll see you in the next video.